Navigating concepts, definitions and topics, using concepts as boundary objects. Many concepts may inherently have different meanings to different people. For instance, the following terms like justice, technology, artificial intelligence, planning, health, or vulnerability can be interpreted differently across different actor groups. While these concepts are flexible enough to be interpreted in various ways across various fields, they still share common points of reference that allow for collaboration. These concepts, definitions, or topics may be considered boundary object concepts that bridge different perspectives. As researchers, we should be aware that although each discipline can use different concepts in a way that resonates with their specific concerns, they can still work together toward common goals. For example, vulnerability can become the lens through which different disciplines can understand who is at risk and why, while health becomes the common goal or outcome that each discipline strives to protect. Similarly, justice can be used as a means to highlight the complex trade-offs in technical and social dimensions of energy, mobility, and climate policy. Despite the different ways in which justice is framed, whether through recognition, distribution, or intergenerational equity, it functions as a shared concept that facilitates dialogue between diverse actors. As a response, planning can be used to devise cohesive strategies for heat waves, carbon removal, or geothermal energy, or mobility planning. While urban planners, policymakers, and community members may have different priorities, they can all use the concept of planning to converge on the common goal of climate adaptation and mitigation. Likewise, despite differing views on which technologies are most important or how they should be implemented, technology or artificial intelligence can enable stakeholders from engineering, policy, social sciences, and environmental fields to discuss how governance mechanisms and innovations may serve climate change, whether through mitigation, for example, energy communities, or adaptation, like climate resilient infrastructure. Using such concepts as boundary objects can help us find that common language that we need to work across different SSH and STEM fields.